Hey guys, I am about to unbox my package from Target. I know what it is, and I can't show you guys. God, why is this so hard to get out? Got it. It's Taylor Swift, Taylor's version of Speak Now. Woo! Okay, mine, Taylor's version. That's cool. Whoops. Oh my gosh. From the vault. Let me do the from the vault one. Electric Touch featuring Fallout Boy. That's gonna be cool. From the vault is all the the ones she didn't release from the original album. Foolish One, Taylor's version. I Can See You, Taylor's Timeless. This is all from the vault one. On her okay. Now I'm going to Taylor's version. Number one is mine, Taylor's version. Sparks Fly, Taylor's version. Back to December, Taylor's version. Speak Now, Taylor's version. And you know what? I'm going to put all the ones in here in the description down there. And let me open this sucker up. Oh, sorry guys, I'm trying to open it up. When I was going up, when we had CDs, it had a pull tab to make it easier to open. Yep, easy to open. Yes, didn't take 45 minutes. Pull tag, boom, done. Disc 1. That's disc 1. That's where our original, or the songs on disc 1. Taylor's versions. And disc 2 is the from the vault one. Disc 2, vault. Alright, let me open this one. Okay, here's the pictures. The lyrics on the CD, or the lyrics in the booklet. Here's more. More lyrics. More pictures. This is all it. This is pretty cool. Well, that's it, guys. There it is, and I can't wait to show you guys more things. All right, peace out. Oopsie. Peace out, guys. I'm out.